No cream but still creamy. Let me show you what I did. I used these ingredients. So on your pot, saute the onions until translucent. Add your ginger and garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your turmeric, black pepper and paprika. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes also, and then add your salt and seasoning cube. Saute them until they are a little bit brown, not so brown so that they will not be bitter. Add your green banana, carrot, tomatoes, and stir them well so that they can combine with the spices. Then add water and your vegetable broth or any broth that you have. Then cover them and let them cook until soft. I came back after 30 minutes, checked my soup. It was going on well, and the aroma, guys, the house was smelling so good. So I gave it a stir and let it simmer again for 5 minutes. Then I came back again to check, and this time I took my coriander leaves and added them to my soup. So I gave it a stir and let it simmer again. Now at this point you can enjoy your soup just as it is, but for me I waited until it got cool, so I put it in my blender and blended it. Look at that, super creamy already. I drizzled some olive oil for garnishing and some coriander leaves. Now, if you like my videos, subscribe and follow me for more videos like this.